How to turn off talkback in Samsung mobile phones. So let's start the video. First of all, it is very difficult to turn off your talkback. Now simply, if you want to move your screen to left or right, then simply use two fingers at the same times like that. And now click on settings, and now double click on settings to open your settings. Now double fingers and swipe down. Now click on accessibility and double click on accessibility and then click on talkback. Now double click on talkback. Now here you can turn off your talkback. Now click on it and double click on it and then click on turn off and double click on turn off to turn off your talkback. So this is the way to turn off talkback in Samsung mobile phones. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.